No man better try to kiss me tonight because they're gonna be dead. I still love you now, because without you there's no me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, my name is Griselda. As you can see by the title of this video, I am going to be reviewing the new Rebel Rose collection by Wet n Wild. Honestly, this is my very first time reviewing any Wet n Wild products. I feel like I've used one of their products, maybe two. I used the lash primer and the mascara a long time ago, but I don't think I've ever used any other products from their line, which you will see in this video how shocked I was by some of these products. We have some skincare products in this collection, which I will be using in this video. I will be swatching all three of their palettes. I ended up using the Bed Roses on my eyes for this look. It also comes with 2 liquid lipsticks and 2 high shine lipsticks. And it also comes with a cream blush, which I also have on, and I will tell you guys my honest opinion on these products. So if you want to see how I create this look using the Rebel Rose collection by Wet n Wild, then just keep on watching. We're gonna go ahead and start off with this rose toner. We're gonna spray this all over the face. Smells really nice. Next, we're gonna be using this Photo Focus Rose Multi-Use Oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and shake it up a little bit. Just gonna put a few drops. I'm gonna gently rub it in. It definitely feels really oily. I shouldn't have put that much on. So next we're gonna use the Rose Primer Serum. I should have just probably used this because this is also in a serum form. I don't know. I don't know. Feels a little thick, but I don't know if it's because I have the oil underneath. I'm gonna see how it acts underneath my skin. Next, we're gonna put this lip scrub to use. My lips are a little dry. I don't know, it smells kind of interesting. I actually really like lip scrubs. I'm gonna see if it makes a difference in my lips. I really like to get it in there. It doesn't taste that very good. Is this edible? Some lip scrubs are edible. No, it doesn't say it's edible. I'm just gonna grab a wipe. The thing about lip scrubs, sometimes it just leaves like stuff. I feel like it did do something. Did remove like the little dead skin that I had on my lips. Next, we're gonna be using the Perfect Pout. That feels really nice on the lips. Oh, it does leave like a red tint. I don't know if I like that. It's like I just drank a bunch of Kool-Aid. Okay, my skin, it doesn't feel oily actually. I thought my skin would feel pretty oily. I'm gonna go ahead and with my Beauty Blender foundation in the shade 3.75. We're gonna see how it wants to come out. Am I out already? Jeez, at least I go through these foundations like crazy. Let's see how it sits on top of the primer, the serum, the toner. Usually when products instantly are not gonna work for my skin, my foundation starts separating, and it's not. So I went ahead and I did my concealer and contour before I went ahead and I set my face. I'm going to be using the cream blush. This is in the shade Rose in Peace. It kind of scares me because it's black and I don't know what color it's going to be. And I don't ever use any cream blushes because I'm already oily. But we're going to go ahead and give this a try. I'm going to be using the Rose Blush Brush. I'm going to pat it on here. Say a prayer, please. Don't let this be black on my face. We're just gonna dab it onto the cheeks. Okay, there's a little rosy. Maybe it's a little too rosy. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it out with my Beauty Blender. The brush itself, I feel like it's really soft, but it's just kind of applying the product onto my cheek. It's not blending it out. I don't know how I feel about this cream blush. It definitely gives you a nice rosy effect on the cheek. Like if you're just naturally blushing, I don't know, maybe it's the brush, I don't know. I feel like I definitely have to go back in with my Beauty Blender to kind of blend it out. Honestly, I feel like I can do without the blush because I'm not a fan of cream blushes already, but I feel like it just didn't really do much for me. They have 3 palettes. This one is called Secret Garden. This one is called House of Thorns. And this one is Bed of Roses. I'm gonna use Bed of Roses. The only thing that I feel like these palettes are missing are a transition shade, which This just goes with like any brand. I feel like they should always include a transition shade just to kind of soften up the look a little bit. That's just my opinion. And I'm gonna use this color right here from Natasha Denona. This is the Lila palette. It's gonna be just like a soft color on the crease just to give you a little wash of color before you go in. Next, we're gonna pick up this darker color right here and we're gonna put that in the crease. I'm looking for a more tapered brush. I think I can use this one. This one is the M441 and we're gonna pick that up. Actually, you know what? Because I'm not sure how these eyeshadows are going to work, we're just gonna pick up a little bit of this translucent Pout. I'm gonna place it right here, just to be safe, because honestly, my luck, and I'm going out tonight, so I don't want to look like a raccoon. So we're just gonna put that just to be on the safe side. And if it does have fallout, you know what? I can just dust it off. We're gonna place it on the outer corner. It's really pigmented. Whoa, that's really pigmented. Yes, ma'am. I don't know why I just made that face. Okay, Wet n Wild is here with the pigment of these eyeshadows. Not mad at this at all. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in with that brush that I used for my transition shade. I didn't put any eyeshadow on, I'm just blending those two colors together. Next, we're gonna pick up this color right here. Such a pretty color. We're gonna pop that on the lip. And I completely forgot, they also have an eyeshadow brush, but I honestly don't think I can blend with this. I can probably use like under here to kind of blend out eyeshadow, but like on top of here, let's go ahead and try it. I guess it's not bad, but this would not be a choice of mine to pick up to do my eyeshadow because I feel like it needs to be a little longer. It does feel nice, it doesn't feel bad, but I feel like it's just because it's so small, I really couldn't do anything with it. We're gonna go ahead and use this Makeup Forever. This is the straight 226 brush. We're gonna place that on the lid. I must say their eyeshadows are very pigmented, not gonna lie. It looks a lot brighter on camera than what it actually looks in person. In person, it doesn't look as bright. We're just gonna pick up an angle brush and pick up this darker color. We're just gonna use that to kind of darken up the lash line. It's a really pretty color. It's like almost like a very dark plum, and I'm not doing a wing, I'm just connecting it to my eyeshadow. We're gonna go ahead and dust off the translucent powder. I did get a little fallout, but nothing a little translucent powder can't fix. So for the bottom, I'm going to apply a little bit of this color right here, and I'm going to use this Sigma flat definer brush. It is the E15 brush, and I'm going to press it in. I want it to be really tight lined and kind of diffused. And I'm also not bringing it in the inner corner, I'm just kind of keeping it out here. And then we're gonna try using this brush right here. I'm gonna pick up this color and lightly kind of diffuse it at the bottom. I feel like they should have made the bristles a little longer. I can actually feel it rubbing my under eye. Okay, so for the lips, I think I'm going to do, because the eyes are pretty light, I'm going to be using this color called Kiss of Death. Or should I do a glossy? Should I do this one? Maybe this one. Let's go ahead and try this glossy. This is the Petal Poison, and this is the High Shine lipstick. Nah, this is not working for me. I'm gonna be using Kiss of Death. Yeah, this is more like it. I really like this color. Okay, first of all, the pigment on these liquid lipsticks, oh my god. And how much are these? They're $7.99? Oh no, they're $4.99. So pigmented for being $4.99. I forgot to tell you guys, I went ahead and I set the blush, and I actually don't mind it. The only thing is that it does look a little patchy, so I kind of had to blend it out a little bit. I'm gonna pick up a little bit of this color right here from the Secret Garden palette, just in the inner corner. All right, everyone, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was a little bit skeptical about the skincare from this collection because I was like, I don't know if these products are gonna work, but the toner, honestly, I can't really tell you guys if I really like it or not because it's my first time using it. So I would have to use this a few more times to tell you guys if I see a difference in my skin. As far as the multi-use oil, I did think it was a little too thick. I still have to wear it out and see how I like it, if it does anything to my skin. Also, the Rose Serum. Maybe I can skip one or the other. I can probably just use the primer serum because oils I honestly really don't need. As far as the lip scrub and the lip primer, this I definitely didn't like because it left like a pink tint. This did remove some of the dead skin on my lips, but I didn't feel the hydration on my lips. Usually lip scrubs leave a smooth layer after you remove it, and I didn't really feel that. Moving on to the lip colors, definitely very pigmented, very affordable. I would definitely spend $5 on these lipsticks. I love the colors, I love the formula, I love the wand and how it applies. The eyeshadows were my favorite because I honestly did not think that they were going to be super pigmented, and like, look at this. Didn't even take me so long to create this look because they were so easy to blend. They were super pigmented. The only thing that I would say is, and I said before, was the transition shade. I think they should have definitely added a lighter shade here because I did have to go into a different palette to kind of create a transition for myself. The blush I would definitely pass on because I'm super oily. I feel like it still kind of looks a little patchy. I kind of blended it out, and it's kind of shooting through just a little bit. For people that are dry, this would be great for you because you need that hydration, you need that moisture. So this would probably work for you, but for me, it just personally didn't. As far as the brushes, I didn't feel like it did anything for me. This one maybe, I don't know, maybe I can use it for a powder. Not for cream because I felt like it wasn't really moving the product, and this I feel like it just should have been a little longer, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you guys really like this video. I hope you guys like this look. Let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video.